Brett Green, president, head coach of Willington Nameplate. And we're second generation family run business. We make identification products, both labels and nameplates, for a variety of different applications, both industrial, aerospace, military, you name it. Since the pandemic, resources have been hard to come by, and like others, we're trying to automate where we can and do less with more. And a Cobot is a great way of doing that with an entry-level kind of piece of equipment without going fully autonomous. We felt that a Cobot and a semi-autonomous type role was a good starting point for us to get our feet wet.
Hi, my name is David Hughes. I'm a robotics specialist here at HESCO, and I helped Willington Nameplate integrate a robot into one of their existing lines. With the help of Dave at Plastimation, we were able to integrate into their line, pick and place onto a conveyor.
It's a chemical etch line and it's a conveyor system. And we have quite a few product lines that we call fast etch that run through the machine very quickly. And because of the speed, it will require two resources. One to feed the sheets onto the conveyor, and another to do a quality check and then take them off the conveyor. So we added the Cobot to the feeding part of the operation, so the beginning. So it's doing pick and place, where it picks up a sheet, places it down on the conveyor. We've also got a little camera and optic system, so it knows not to put another sheet down until the previous sheet has moved past a certain spot. And now it just frees up our one operator to catch sheets, do a quality inspection, and make sure that everything's looking good.
I'll put a good size stack of the sheets, meaning the job, on a table and set the Cobot and program it into the thing, what it's doing, a faster etch or a slower speed, and let it go. And I go to the end of the machine and take them off. So it's freeing up a lot of stuff, a lot of time. So I mean, once it goes, it doesn't stop. It goes and goes and goes. And you're not used to seeing that with a person. A person will take a break after a few sheets, or I'll put 20 in. This just keeps going and going. So yes, easier, faster, sometimes not, but easier, a little, yes, it has. It's still trial and error with things in different jobs, but it has.
In setting up the robot and looking at the application, they wanted to actually have multiple uses for this Cobot and use it in a few different areas. So we decided to reach out to MK North America and see if they can design us a mobile base that would house the control cabinet and be sturdy enough for this larger 12 kilo Cobot. And it works perfectly, and they're able to move it to other areas within their facility to work on other applications.
So far it's been great, and especially for the amount of the investment, it was definitely less expensive than I anticipated. The programming is pretty user-friendly, and it makes it pretty easy to move it and do other applications. So we are going to look to do other pick-and-place activities with it, and then even eventually try it out in our paint spraying booth and doing some paint spraying.